Hey guys, so today's video is on acrylic extension. I will explain you that how to do acrylic extension step by step. So without any further delay, let's start our video. So in the first step, I applied cuticle softener on the nails that will soften the cuticles, so it will make easy to push back. Then with the help of a pusher, I push back the cuticles, which is just a dead layer of nails. So it will help to stay the extension for long time. After pushing back, I will cut the cuticles with a cuticle cutter, which is very sharp. So it is very mandatory to all if they are using this. So please pay attention towards this sharp cutter. It can cut your skin as well. After it, pick your nail tip box and select each and every tip according to your nail size. Then after selecting, paste the nail tips with the help of a glue. Make sure that you are using a good quality of glue. Then with the help of a buffer, start buffing your nails and give the exact shape which your client wants. After completing this step, start your extension, which I am doing the acrylic extension using this brush and acrylic powder. I am doing the inbuilt glitter in acrylic. You don't need any UV LED lamp because acrylic powder dried automatically. After applying the layers of acrylic powder, design your nails according to your client preference or the design that you want to provide to your client. I am using these white beads and flowers which are available online as well. So this is my final step. After this, I just applied a top coat. So here's the final look of my nails. Kindly like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.